right, we got a couple more Vevor tools for you guys. We wanted to show you. So this is a pipe sander. They call this a pipe sander because it actually can contour to the pipe that you're polishing. You can get different belt sandpapers for this, from 60 all the way up to 1,000 grit sandpaper. Really make a nice muffler, whatever you're working on. If you got welds on your pipe, you want to sand them off, this actually does an excellent job. So this right here is actually attached to an angle grinder. Very powerful, got a nice handle right here. But you can also buy just this attachment right here with some belts. And I can show you, this actually goes onto any kind of an angle grinder. So I'm gonna pull up an angle grinder right here. So basically you're gonna take the normal stuff off of your angle grinder and you're gonna put this contraption on. So there's a lot of different rings right here, and you can basically put the one on that actually fits around this part of the angle grinder. So that's too big. So that one looks like it fits just right. Okay. Put that on just like that. So they give you this tool right here. So this is to tighten down this right here. So I'm gonna get it situated. Put it on here just like that, and it fits around that ring pretty nicely. We're gonna get that tightened into place here. I'm just gonna tighten it till it's nice and tight. All right, so I got that on. So now I'm gonna put this on, which is actually what spins off of the angle grinder to spin your belt. Gotta push this tab down right here to make sure that it's not spinning on you as you're putting this on. There we go, give you a tool here to tighten that up as well. Got that nice and tight. So now we can actually put our belt on here. Also comes with a handle right here. So let me grab that and put that on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this handle on, whatever side's more comfortable for you. I'm gonna put it on this side right here. Want to make sure you have positive control over these tools because these angle grinders are pretty strong. So now we're going to go ahead and put this belt on. This is a nice finer belt compared to this one. This one's pretty rough, so it can take off quite a bit of material quick. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this belt on right here. Get it around the main pulley. And I'm just going to bend this up like so. Bam. It's that easy. That's ready to go. So like I said, this is a pipe sander right here, but you can sand quite a few things, not just pipe. I've done it. It's got nice contour for when you are sanding around pipe. It'll make that contour real nicely. We got a piece of pipe chucked up right here in this vise, and I'm going to show you both this grinder and this one that Vevor sent us here. This is heavier duty. It's also variable speed, so that's pretty nice. I'm going to use both of these on this pipe right here, the finer belt and the heavier duty belt here. You can see here quite a few belts that we got. Comes in a kit with this one right here. You get plenty of options there. But this is 80 grit, so let's go ahead and put that to the test, see what happens here.
Wow.
So I was barely pushing on that, and you can see how much material it took off right away. That had to do with the power of the angle grinder, obviously, and then the 80 grit sandpaper. We were sanding some welds on our muffler pipe over there, and we were actually using the 60 grit to knock them off pretty quickly. It actually worked really well. So, but here's a finer grit, so let's see what that looks like over top of this. So it polishes it up pretty nice. Look how shiny that is.
It's really smooth too.
So looks pretty good. So like I said, if you go from 60 grit all the way up to whatever the highest is on here, which is like 1,000, just gonna polish and pipe up real nice for whatever you might need it. Like I said, I've sanded a lot more than just pipe with that thing, so works great. So like I said, this is just a random angle grinder. You can attach this to a DeWalt, Milwaukee, whatever. You can make it cordless if you have a battery powered one. But this is an attachment itself that you can put on an angle grinder. This other one came as a kit, came with the belts, came with this on it. These are two different products right here. This one is the angle grinder attachment. So this can go on any type of angle grinder. And that's all you get here. And it comes with these rings, which basically you got to pick which ones are compatible with your angle grinder, and it helps that to stay into place. It comes with these tools. And so you would buy just this for an angle grinder that you may already have. This one comes as a whole kit. So it comes with your belts, comes with the angle grinder attachment, and also comes with this, which is specifically used for their belt sander attachment. The shroud right here is already sized appropriately to be able to attach this right to it without using any of these rings. So this is a little bit more stout when you buy it like this. Those rings, you got to really tighten that on there for it to not move on you. But honestly, this one is kind of loose. You can see I can move that. But it held just fine when we were grinding on that pipe. It's no big deal. Both of these products are going to be listed in the descriptions below. That way you can find them on Amazon or wherever you might need them. We really like Vevor products. Great tools for about half price. So that is their slogan, tough tools, half price. In my opinion, a lot of DIYers go to Harbor Freight, buy themselves what I call throwaway tools. These are great tools for the same price, better quality. These are going to last longer. When you go to buy tools, check out Vevor before you go anywhere else. You won't be sorry.